Hey, so Jungle Scout money back guarantee. Is it available? What it's all about? Discover in this video. Also, in the description of this video, you are going to find the best deals and discounts for Jungle Scout, along with a playlist of over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials that show you how to use Jungle Scout in the best way. So let's read about the Jungle Scout money back guarantee. Money back guarantee, notwithstanding Section 9, if you contact our customer support department within 7 days of your original sign-up, you're eligible for our money back guarantee. To receive your money back, you must contact our customer support team online at support@junglescout.com no later than 7 days following your original sign-up and ask for a refund. Any contacts made after that 7-day period will not be eligible for our money back guarantee. Only your first purchase is subject to the money back guarantee. Renewal orders are not eligible for the money back guarantee under any circumstances. So basically it says here, if you decide that the product isn't the right fit within 7 days, we will give you a refund. So 7 days pretty much is the money back guarantee period with Jungle Scout. There's the best discounts for Jungle Scout in the description of this video, along with tutorials, over 100 tutorials that show you how to use Jungle Scout. So hopefully you won't even need this money back guarantee because you will know how to use it best for Amazon business. So have a great day. Enjoy all the stuff in the description. Boom. Bye. Thank you very much.